I haven't found a dedicated handlebar mount for my 360 cameras that I like so far until now, and a quick shout out to PGYTECH for sending me this handlebar mount. Let's get straight to it and take a look. This PGYTECH handlebar mount consists of a solid plastic grip that attaches to your handlebars with a large turn screw for tightening and loosening. But the magic of this mount for me is PGYTECH's signature feature, which is this small magic arm that they have on a number of their camera accessories, which we'll take a look at in a minute. The mount is really compact and the handlebar attachment measures approximately 6 cm by 5 cm plus the additional locking screw, which is another 3 cm. The aluminium alloy arm measures approximately 10 cm long, including the camera attachment, and about 2.5 cm diameter, plus the length of the tightening screw, which sticks out another centimetre. And the whole thing weighs approximately 133 grams. The mount comes with 2 interchangeable camera attachments. Firstly, a GoPro finger style mount, which can be locked in place with the included PGYTECH pins that come with the mount. I'm not a big fan of these pins because they're not attached to the actual mount, they're loose, which means I'll probably end up losing them, so I'd much rather use the included 1/4 inch thread adapter. Installation of the mount is simple, and the large locking screw makes it possible to get a real good grip on your handlebar. And the mount also has a rubber spacer insert to make it smaller if you want to attach it to different parts of your bike. For 360 use, the extension arm takes the camera far away enough from the handlebar that you can create that floating camera shot in front of the bike. And if you're using a standard GoPro camera or the 4K mod or the 1-inch mod, or even the new Go 2, then this is where the small extension arm is invaluable. The arm has a ball joint either end, which means you can position your camera in dozens of configurations to get the shot you want, and then change it by simply unscrewing the large tightening screw and adjusting the arm. And the tightening mechanism literally crushes the aluminium alloy casing against the ball joint so it doesn't move. And the versatile design makes this mount perfect for mounting in other positions on your bike as well. And you can also attach a selfie stick onto this mount to get it further away from the bike. And even down this bumpy track, the mount didn't budge on the handlebars, which is the problem I usually experience with other mounts. Out of all the PGYTECH mounts that I've reviewed so far, this has to be my favourite, and it will be my go-to mount when it comes to doing any filming out on my bike. Let me know in the comments what you think. You can watch these 2 videos next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.